Hello everyone, let's have an overview on the whole course. So the first thing we're gonna do is introduction section. We'll have a project tool, talk about different modules and tools we'll be using. And after that, we'll start to work on the admin portal part. We'll set up the environment, also set up the Spring Boot part for backend. We'll add domain models for our backend and Spring Security to the backend resources, and also database. And then we're gonna develop the login component and the functions. And after that, we'll add more functionalities to our admin portal. Specifically, we're gonna add different components within our book, and we're gonna add more domain models. We're gonna eventually finish up the admin portal functions. So this involves both the Angular 2 part, the front end part, and the back end part. And then after that, we're gonna talk about storefront. We're gonna start to work on it. Similarly, we're gonna set up the environment for Angular 2, the front end part, and we're gonna add different components in the front end and the back end as well. Specifically, it would be navigation bar, some of the My accounts, user information. In the second part of our storefront, we're gonna add user payment and user shipping to our project. And in the fifth part and sixth parts, we're gonna continue working on the storefront, okay? And we're gonna add a book list, book information, the shopping cart, and the order so that we can check out the shopping cart. Also, some of the search buttons, search functionalities. So that's a very brief, high-level overview about the different sections. So basically, we're gonna talk about, logistic stuff first, and then we'll start to work on an admin portal. Meanwhile, we're gonna build up the components in the backend as well. And after we finish up the admin portal, we'll start with the storefront and start to build stuff one by one. Meanwhile, we're gonna start to, add more components to the backend as well. Okay, so that's pretty much for the overview. And then I'll see you guys in the next lesson.